Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. After the younger model, the first renders of the Google Pixel 11 Pro show off a refreshed design and reveal key specs of the smartphone ahead of its announcement. According to the latest preliminary news data, a very reliable source leaked Google Pixel 11 Pro refreshed design with a new camera module. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro is set to debut later this summer, alongside the Google Pixel 11 which we leaked yesterday. The Google Pixel 11 Pro has been revealed for the first time, in high-resolution renders. The next-generation flagship smartphone appears to have a redesigned design, with a new camera module, but Google remains true to its design language. After the Google Pixel 11 was already shown in renders, the extremely reliable leaker OnLeaks on X, in collaboration with Android Headlines, has published the first images of the Google Pixel 11 Pro, before Google's next-generation flagship smartphone is officially unveiled in August. At first glance, the new Google Pixel 11 Pro looks very similar to the current Pixel 10 Pro, which is available on Amazon at $799. Please check the link below the video. But upon closer inspection, it's clear that Google has streamlined the design in several places. Most notably, the camera module's surface is now completely black, instead of the previously used LED flash area being finished in the same color as the back panel. This makes the camera module appear even larger, even though its dimensions remain virtually unchanged. The screen bezels of the Google Pixel 11 Pro are slightly thinner than its predecessor. The dimensions remain virtually unchanged, at 152.7 by 71.8 by 8.4 mm. The Pixel 11 Pro is just 0.1 mm shorter in height, 0.2 mm shorter in width, and 0.1 mm thinner. With a 6.3-inch screen, the Pixel 11 Pro remains one of the most compact flagship smartphones on the market, alongside phones like the Apple iPhone 17 Pro. While the design has changed minimally, several hardware upgrades are expected. In addition to the newer Google Tensor G6 ARM chipset, the Pixel 11 Pro will also feature true 3D facial recognition, similar to the Apple iPhone, with the sensors required for this expected to be mounted discreetly beneath the AMOLED panel, eliminating the need for a large, pill-shaped hole. The new Google Pixel 11 series lineup is expected to launch in August this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.